Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Izingani Zesthembu. Now, full disclaimer, Izingani Zesthembu yang poranyana, but let's do this. Let's start with Mpilwentle. Mpilwentle decided to go change her surname. Can we give that girl a bells, right? Yes, she did it wrong because she did not inform anyone and she tricked the dad when the dad was sick to sign some documents, of which was wrong. Ne? However, with all that said, I think umntwana is frustrated because of culture, tradition, whatever you guys may call it. It steals away so much that you end up being frustrated and you want to do the right thing. And I think, Mina, what upsets me about this whole notion is that later on in life, when the child's things are not going well, impilo ingahambi the way afuna ukuthi ihambe ngakhona, she will be told ukuthi you should be using your father's surname here, da 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 da. While that exercise has been done, that exercise, the efforts were tried, but elders disturbed the process because of whatever, right? Now, currently it seems as if money and not in the amount being an issue, right? Because Kabo girl bakhuphule neinkomo to say now that Mpilwentle decided to tell them that Mpilwentle decided to go and initiate changing my surname, this and that. Because I've seen ukuthi uJesu zazabuye lento lengakaqedelelwa, so I did what I thought was right. No, what they did, the other family on the mother side, is that they increased the money. They increased the money. Who are they punishing, guys, exactly? Lempile about umseleku or about umpilo? Because at this point, I'm confused. And I might be wrong. But as far as I know and as far as I see on TV, on their reality TV, Uma Khumalo and Musa are the ones that are doing everything for umpilo. Like, right? Like most of the things, let me say 90% of the things are done by them. So now, why is culture determined to get money or tradition determined to get money so much out of people that they forget the contribution that a person made? Why must the efforts zaka Musa Mseleku be forgotten ukuthi umusa umkhulisile lo mntwana, umusa uhleli naye lo mntwana, why mele amhlawule? Right? Already ukuhlala naye ukumkhulisa phela ukuhlala nomntwana, you need to feed the child, you need to do 1 2 3 4 5, you need to be there for the child. Naye uhleli naye umpilo, and we know ukuthi umpilo has been there for a long while, right? So now why must money be the thing? Why can't the family say you took care of our child, you showed ukuthi indoda, and therefore yenza umsebenzi, kuhlatshwe inkomo, ku-celebrate-weni, and you have the child. That's it. I don't know, guys. Maybe I don't know. I vele culture nako ha vele re hotse ba sa ruti yona. I don't understand it like you do. Please get in the comment section and let's discuss this because it's so frustrating to me. Moving on, we move on to Umpilo, not Umpilo, Usbindi, right? Usbindi, no siswakhe, they had a meet up there. I low-key think ukuthi uBubezi is waiting for Umseleku to die so he can take over because he acts like ubaba wakhe. He wants to the throne so much. It's scary, right? Now he's asking Usne about Sne's relationship, the failed marriage, right? Sharp, that's not the problem. The problem is when Usne is the one asking questions, now Ugai cannot answer. When abuza ukuthi uma kale unamba bani manje kule equation since isimo siso, he can't answer. Now that gives me nje lento lokuthi lo uthanda ukudictator, abuze, aphendulwe, abe the superior part, but yena he does not want to answer to people. And I think ukuthi I might be wrong, but I think that's going to be his downfall because uhlala right, agabuzwa, aga adviswa, yonke into nje kuhambe yakhe. I'm not saying ukuthi there's anybody othanda advice, but akekho umuntu othanda ukukhuzwa, akekho umuntu othanda advice, akekho umuntu othanda ukuthi bamtshele ukuthi wrong. Mina, with my 2 eyes, I've never seen that person. Even myself, I will go to my own corner where I will reflect on what a person has said, and then I will see my wrong in my own corner. But in a confrontation, I will want to stand for myself, because in a confrontation you would feel like you are being attacked, or when a person tries to show your point, you'll feel good, low-key, am I being attacked? Because I think for some reason the mind wants to fly and fight. So now here's the thing. I feel ukuthi lo mfana lo spoiled kakhulu. Lo mfana lo needs to be brought back in line, and lo mfana lo needs to be told ukuthi you are not the next king. Yes, you want polygamy, and polygamy yakho iyabanda because uyifuna every year, but awushadi. Right, but there's no much content on this episode. Let us go to uLwandle no Abongwe. When they say a mother knows a lot, a mother knows a lot. Now Abongwe says, I want to take my parents out in ibambuza ukuthi sihamba ngeyiphi imoto, sihamba ngeyakho mama, akhiphe imoto emoshekile, right? Now she knew ukuthi imoto emoshekile, but ubhuti wakhe wanted it to come out, but not from him. When I say a mother knows, Cele knows ukuthi umfana lo uLwandle makayochecka ayobona intombi uhamba ngemoto yakhe, meaning she knows ukuthi makahamba ngemoto yakhe emjolweni, right? Why angabuza ukuthi mntanami ujola nobani, kwenzakalani, you are on the papers, this is happening, but we've never seen her ask that question, right? Maybe it's still coming, I don't know. Then ubaba wakhe react. She was so polite, she was so understanding. That's why I low-key think ukuthi there's something wrong ngoLwandle, or there's a reason why they're treating him special. I don't know why. Because if it was uSibindi, ngabe kuraswa left, right and center, you know, and uSibindi already were calling him uSiyacela lights. So I don't know why he's being treated with kids gloves. I don't know. But maybe as the season progresses, or as when another season comes, we will know, because this season is literally empty. Like, it's empty. So he was washing his father's car, and Abongwe threw in a conversation in there yokuthi, I think ukuthi I've done you proud, and I also deserve a car, because uwashe imoto yakho uzowashe yakhe. So when am I getting mine? Yo, bamchazela right ukuthi mamela ke lo mbonayo owashe imoto akayanga esikolweni, buka ayetshwara, wena ukosikolo nkomagwenko dropo utshwere ingi buka. So this one, I'm going to make sure with everything that I have ukuthi uyakhuphuka, because akanqwadanga, but wena I made sure ukuthi uyakhuphuka because unqwadile. So your first car that you're going to buy is a car from your education. So here's the question that I asked myself. Does this mean uSne is going to get a car? Because uSne also akancwadanga, right? Umuntu ozozithengela imoto obviously umpilo enhle. Because uSne akancwadanga, will she also get a car? Or because she's a girl, by default she's not getting? I don't know, guys. Balance is saying, but the content is very lame when it comes to Ingani Zestembu. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.